Welcome to Oster Oncology, helping cancer patients fight stronger and fight smarter. With this video, I want to paint a clear picture to you as to how we care for patients at Oster Oncology, the different aspects of support you receive, and what video consultations will actually look like for you. So starting with the video consultations, first off, the benefits to you are great. It saves you time with eliminated travel and no waiting rooms. It saves you money with eliminated travel expenses, childcare, and time off work. Your privacy is ensured as the consultations are done right from your own home. There's also a reduced risk of exposure to other contagious patients compared to when you would physically go to a clinic. And you can keep your clinical consultations even at times when you're not feeling well enough or strong enough to leave the home. The added benefit in the big picture is that this form of clinical consultation is not dependent upon your geography or location. So patients that would have had no access to integrative oncology services otherwise, which is the vast majority of us, now do. For the consultations themselves, all you need is a webcam or your smartphone. There's no app to download. A secure link is sent to you which you access and start the consultations right from within your web browser. There's a little chat area that we can type back and forth to each other to let each other know that we're ready, and then the video conferencing is started. The video, for me, is such a great interface to teach. I can share images, diagrams, go over your latest reports line by line. And this is a huge aspect of what I like to deliver to my patients. Teach, teach, teach. It's a maxim of Oster Oncology. I really want you empowered with the answers of the hows and the whys related to your conventional and naturopathic treatments. From your recent imaging reports and scans to your genomic results, to medical lingo in your reports and notes that are not quite clear to you, removing the clinical question marks not only gives you confidence knowing that you're really understanding your own case, but it also decreases anxieties and uncertainties that are common with so much clinical things going on. I'll always spend that time to make sure that you feel on top of everything. The scheduling for clinical consultations are set for every patient depending on the individual case and need. Some patients wish for very frequent clinical check-ins, especially initially into their treatments, while others don't. Scheduling of consults are often based on acute clinical needs as well, like when a new side effect arises or there's something in your blood work that needs to be addressed. And I at times may be the one setting the interval depending on what we're dealing with. I definitely want and will request in some cases visits to be scheduled closely following the time of any restaging visits that you've had with your medical oncologist, where new imaging was done and reviewed, and when there's a potential for any treatment changes to occur. Because changes to your conventional treatment often will trigger adjustments to the supportive naturopathic plan that I've given. Consultations generally range from 30 to 90 minutes, and you can check out the prices and packages on our website. The charting of your medical records for my end of things is done through a HIPAA-approved electronic medical record system that keeps all of my clinical notes, and it is what will house all of the reports from imaging and blood work that you send to me by an easy-to-use, patient-friendly uploading step. All of the detailed naturopathic recommendations, as well as all the handouts and resources that I have for you, will be sent to you through the same electronic medical record service to your personal email inbox. Also, through Oster Oncology website, you will have access to scheduling, supplement orders, and all of the other resources and educational videos that I have for you. At Oster Oncology, what you'll find delivered are impactful treatments designed to integrate safely with your conventional treatments to make a huge clinical difference in your case, and a consistent teaching approach that we hope empowers you. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us using the Contact Us page or use the Get Started button just below. Oster Oncology, fight stronger and fight smarter.